Hi everyone, God bless you all. In this video, I will teaching you where to get Power BI application, Power Business Intelligence. This software is used for data visualization. You can visualize your data better to this software. So now I'm about to share your screen where you can find this application free. So this software is uh, Microsoft application. So just need to Google, write down Power BI desktop download, and then click on first one and see. Just go scroll down and see Microsoft Power BI desktop. So and see another column, Microsoft Power BI mobile, PowerSoft on-premises data gateway. Just we have to concern with Power BI desktop. So it's my suggestion to click advanced download option instead of download. You see, if you click on download button, you are asked open Microsoft Store. You need to, sign. You have to have Microsoft account. So just avoid these things. Just click on advanced download option. This option. So see again. Scroll down and just you see three option: details, system requirement, install instruction. I just want to download this Power BI software. Just click on red button, download button. So working on 64. My operating system is 64-bit. So I click on this option. If your PC is PC requirement is 32-bit, to click on this option. So now I'm click on next button, this blue button, see at bottom, so right bottom side. So just wait for downloading, and this file size is 311 MB. So it takes 20 minutes, so about 20 minutes. So I have already downloaded it. So uh, just click on download. So okay, you download and then install it by yourself at home. Just click next button. You see English and click on next. Because I don't have access right now, I need to ask from my admin. So at home, you do just click next button and finish at last, and you will eventually install Power BI. So now I'm going to stop my uh, video, and in next lecture I will teach you how to use Power BI. So for now, thank you for watching. Goodbye.